Hi there, Dr. Dave here with another TI-84 Plus tutorial. In today's tutorial I want to look at using the TI-84 to do some statistical analysis. So in this particular example I've got here, I've got two sets of data and we want to use the calculator to compare the two sets of data. So we read the question, we're basically looking at validating or invalidating this claim that we've got here. So the first thing we want to do is enter this data, or two sets of data, into the calculator. To do that, we go into the stats menu and then edit, and you notice here I've already entered this data. So basically the first set of data, the old types, we enter into list 1. The second set of data we enter into list 2. Okay, so once we've entered that, again we go back into stat and we want to do some calculations. So the first lot of calculations we're going to do is to calculate 5-number summary for this set of data. So to do that, we press on calculate and one var stats, enter there. We're interested in calculating it for the first list. That's where we've stored this lot of data, and calculate. And the 5-number summary, so basically going through this, we've got the mean up here, we've got the sample standard deviation, the population standard deviation, the number of data points, and going down we've now got a 5-number summary. So the minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile and maximum. Okay, so that's the first set of data. Write that down, record that as the first part of question A. The second part, again, going to stats, calculate. This time we want to use the second list, so we go second and L2 down here and calculate, and again we move down here and we've got a 5-number summary for that particular list of data. And I've taken screen captures of those two here so we can sort of do the comparison. Alright, next step, we want to do a side-by-side box plot. So we'll quit out of there and we want to go up to stat plot, so go second and then the y equals button. So we'll do the first box plot in this one here. So firstly turn that on. We'll go right across to this icon here for our box plot, and we're going to use list 1. Quit out of that, and then second y equals again. Go into this second one, second plot, turn that on. Again we're going to do a box plot, and this time we're going to select list 2. Alrighty, and quit out of there. Now before we go and plot that, we want to go into the window to select the range, particularly for the range of x values. So if we look at our data, we've got a minimum of around about 70 and a maximum in this lot of about 186. So we'll go from 60 up to 200. Gives a bit of leeway each side. Y min, Y max, we don't really need to worry about that. So again, quit out of there and then go into graph, and you can see we've got our side-by-side box plots. So this is the old data, this is the new data. Okay, which again, going down here, I've captured a screen dump of that one. So that's our side-by-side box plots. Now, analysing this, we can see that the middle 50% of the data, or first quartile onwards, for the second lot of data is higher than 75% of the old data types. We can also compare the median. So the median for the old type, the median for the new type. So 105 versus 125. Doing some calculations on that, we can quickly or easily validate this claim up here. Okay, hopefully that's been useful. So looking at entering data, calculating 5-number summaries and doing side-by-side box plots in the TI-84. Alright, see you next time.